वो पीयूष मिश्रा का एक कोट है ना, सुकून मिलता है दो लफ्ज़ को कागज़ पर उतार कर, चीख भी लेता हूँ और आवाज़ भी नहीं होती। सो मंथन में क्या है ना, जब भी आप कुछ लिख रहे हैं ना, मतलब बहुत से लोग अलग अलग एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेके आते हैं। कोई सोचता है कि हमें पोइट्री लिखनी है, कोई सोचता है हमें एक नॉवल लिखनी है एंड उसके लिए हम राइटर बन रहे हैं। बट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ राइटिंग, दिस इज़ नॉट योर प्लेस, राइट। दिस इज़ द प्लेस जहाँ पे अगर आप राइटर नहीं हो तो आपकी राइटिंग निकलेगी। दिस इज़ दैट काइंड ऑफ प्लेस कि आपने आज तक अपने आप को अलग अलग तरीके से एक्सप्रेस किया है। हम सब लोग किसी भी चीख लेते हैं तो हम एक्सप्रेस कर देते हैं, हम लड़ लेते हैं तो एक्सप्रेस कर लेते हैं, कई बार हम रो लेते हैं तो हम एक्सप्रेस कर लेते हैं। बट मंथन में हम राइटिंग को एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ डीप सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन यूज़ कर रहे हैं। एंड वाई नैरेटिव थेरेपी? बिकॉज हम सब अपनी कहानी के हीरो ही हैं ना। हम सबको एक हैप्पी एंडिंग चाहिए अपनी कहानी की, वो वाले कट्स चाहिए अपनी कहानी में जिसमें सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा होता चला जाए। बट व्हेन वी लुक बैक एट आवर स्टोरी, कभी भी कुछ अच्छा तो हमेशा नहीं हुआ है ना। हुआ है अच्छा, फिर डाउन आ गया, फिर ऊपर गया, फिर डाउन आ गया। बट हैव यू टेकन अ मोमेंट टू सिट डाउन एंड थिंक अबाउट ऑल दोज थिंग्स? क्या हुआ, कब हुआ, कैसे हुआ, राइट, एंड क्यों हुआ? दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट। आपकी लाइफ के इतने सारे इंसिडेंट्स, इतनी सारी स्टोरीज हैं, इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स हैं, वो आपकी लाइफ में क्यों आए? वट रोल डिड दे प्ले? एंड आर यू रियली द हीरो और द हीरोइन ऑफ योर स्टोरी, और आर यू जस्ट स्विंगिंग बाय? So these are all the deep questions, and I think this is the place where you'll do deep work. This is not the place for, just coming and enjoying and being there for 4 days. It is more about coming at a space where you can meet the real you, maybe for the first time, and that's very difficult for many people. But that is why we are here, right? We are gonna hold you in that space, and of course there are other strangers as well who are coming with as big of a journey as you, and they are there to hold each other, right? But मुझे ये लगता है कि अगर आप मंथन में आ रहे हो ना, तो कम विद द इंटेंशन कि कुछ तो चेंज होने वाला है बॉस। व्हेन आई एम कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस, देयर विल बी अ डिफरेंट वर्जन ऑफ मी, एंड मे बी नॉट अ डिफरेंट वर्जन ऑफ मी, बट मैं अपनी ही कहानी को एक नए नज़रिए से मे बी आई विल स्टार्ट सीइंग फ्रॉम अ न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट नैरेटिव थेरेपी विल बी ऑल अबाउट। After writing 2 books, after writing for organizations like the World Economic Forum, right? Um, how does it feel like to write without any rules? Because writing therapy is all about, writing without the rules. So how does it feel like to unlearn everything that you have believed in for so many years?
Yes, well, I feel like writing is seen in the modern day as writing has become more like an art form or like a learnable skill that you can monetize. But I believe, and I think it is true as well, that language, writing and reading modality was invented for expression of the soul. So I also believe, just like you, that writing is a thing that should be that is a core skill. I feel like in narrative writing there are definitely rules, but not even rules. There is like a direction. I would say there is a direction in when we use writing as a therapy, and that is a learnable skill, and that directly connects us to expressing our soul in the form of writing. Writing is just a tool. So a lot of times people sit with a piece of paper and they hold the pen to it and they want to say something, but we don't really know what we want to say. And that is where narrative therapy and writing as an expressive exercise comes into existence. Harshit, how did you see writing in your own journey, in your own personal journey?
सी राइटिंग एज अ सोर्स ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन वॉज ऑलवेज देयर। मतलब हम लिखते ही आ रहे हैं, हमें पता नहीं होता कि हम राइटिंग के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं। बहुत से लोग जर्नलिंग करते हैं, दे डोंट नो येट कि वो राइटिंग थेरेपी कर रहे हैं अपने लिए। बट अगेन राइटिंग थेरेपी इज़ वेरी मच स्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड इट बिकेम रियल फॉर मी व्हेन आई वेंट टू लंडन फॉर माई मास्टर्स। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर ऑक्सफर्ड में मेरे काउंसलिंग प्रोग्राम के दौरान they used to give us this role play exercises. So we had to act as therapist and सामने एक client होता था, and those were also our colleagues, मेरे classmate ही थे. But the good thing about studying abroad is your classmate could be an 80-year-old man.
Yeah.
And that was the situation with me. So he was sitting right in front of me, and हम लोग use करते हैं ना ये terminology की inner child work and all the other things that we will do in Manthan as well. But in that moment, while I was learning about writing therapy, narrative therapy, I was looking at that 80-year-old man, and he was telling me something about his childhood, and I could see the inner child in his eyes, right? So these are the kinds of experiences जब आप theory को practicality के साथ attach करते हो, and specifically that space. So the amazing thing for me was during my master's study in writing therapy was that we were all vulnerable in that space. It's not a classroom anymore. It becomes a place where you can be yourself and where you can meet the parts of you which you have never met before. So that happened with me, and now when I'm back here, मैं उसी माहौल को यहाँ पे replicate करूँगा. And the funny thing is, when I came back, I was like कि इंडिया में तो कहीं चलेगा ही, मुझे बाली में या थाईलैंड में या ऑब्वियसली यूरोप में ये करना है, राइटिंग थेरेपी वर्कशॉप्स. बट व्हेन वी अनाउंस द फर्स्ट नैरेटिव थेरेपी वर्कशॉप्स इन चंडीगढ़, the response was so overwhelming.
Yeah.
And I remember people who came in, they came in with the expectation हम तो ऐसे ही आ गए, weekend पे free बैठे थे फिर आ गए. But when they were in that room, when they were looking at themselves from a new perspective, we could see some people started crying, right?
Absolutely.
And I think crying is one of those emotions which you can never fake. Specifically for men, हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है रोना. But if writing about your story makes you, you know, a little bit of heavy-hearted, that means it has touched a part of you which you have never touched before. And I wish during Manthan that is what we create for our participants as well.
A lot of people have been asking कि मंथन में क्या होगा. You are saying कि हम लोगों को vulnerability सिखाएंगे through writing, but कैसे vulnerable होना है ना? And that is something that is very hard for people to do when people are going about their day. Like, I have 100 things to do, I have to perform in a certain way, I have to keep up, achieve, etc. I don't have time to be vulnerable, right? Because if I become vulnerable, I might break down, I might need a pause, and that is where Manthan will help you. You come here, you take a pause, we'll hold you if you break down, we'll hold you until you feel like yourself, until your true self is revealed to you. How to be with that self. Actually, that is also a problem that a lot of people face. कि अगर हम अपने बारे कोई deeper truth discover करेंगे, how do we be with that version of us when that comes in front of us? उसको कैसे face करना है? And you know, like if you read a lot of psychology, philosophy, which we have done, we've taken courses, we've worked on ourselves for years. So there is a particular course that we will follow. It will of course be structured as I've mentioned before. So we're going to start with emotional foundational work. So emotions are the foundations of everything. If you live a reactive life, if you live a responsive life, if you feel irritable, if you feel depressed, if you feel angry all the time, these are all emotions. We don't care about them actually, but we should. And then later on they turn into physical illnesses. So we'll start with emotional foundation, looking at our emotional foundation, which is going to contain some inner child work, reparenting, etc. Then we're going to go towards the mind. The mind is an organ which is given to us to navigate the emotions. Emotions तो body में feel हो ही रहे हैं, और अपने दिमाग को कैसे use करना है, अपनी cognitive reframing कैसे करनी है, because mind is a muscle, you can retrain it, you know. So we're going to go more towards cognitive reframing, how we can use certain techniques and certain exercises which contain writing, also body work, also mind work, different modalities. Manthan is going to combine everything in a way that you'll feel like there is a new perspective that you are finding, and I'm sure that's going to happen. It's happened before in our workshops, and it's happened way more than we expected, right? So that, and then once we have understanding of our emotional foundation, once we have understanding of how we can reframe our cognition around our emotions, we are going to bring that together. So the final step of the ladder is to integrate that experience. We're going to integrate it through writing and other expressive modalities. That's what we're going to do in Manthan. Manthan क्या है?
Manthan. If I say it in one word, Manthan is the space where you gain inner clarity and inner transformation. कई बार क्या होता है ना, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड आप चेंज हो जाओगे, दीज थिंग्स आर प्रॉमिस्ड अ लॉट इन सच काइंड्स ऑफ स्पेसेस. सो वी आर नॉट प्रॉमिसिंग एनी ऑफ दैट. आप नहीं चेंज होगे, आपकी लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं चली जाएंगी. बट वन थिंग इज़ फॉर श्योर एंड दैट वी कैन प्रॉमिस, दैट हाउ यू लुक एट योर लाइफ स्टोरीज, whether you are carrying a trauma, whether you are carrying a past wounds in your life, or any story that you are not able to get over, when you come to Manthan, you'll have a new perspective towards those things. And when you go back, you'll be like, ठीक है ना यार, हो जाती हैं लाइफ में चीज़ें, and eventually you move on. So that is the feel we want to create in this space. Now the next question for you. When it comes to therapeutic modalities, obviously I'll be using narrative therapy and a lot of other things from writing therapy frameworks like poetry therapy, guided journaling, all those prompts I'll be using. But what would be your approach to the curriculum of Manthan?
I think I'm going to create it like a very free space. Of course, I'm going to have some structure and direction. You know, I'm all about structure and direction, and sometimes I'm too much of a structured person. But I am going to learn at Manthan with everybody how to just be free with yourself. I feel like we don't allow ourselves that space to really be who we want to be who we are. Sometimes we don't even know who we are. So I feel like my focus will be on how people will see their own emotions, facing themselves, firstly facing those parts of themselves that they do not want to face or perhaps have never discovered yet. So I want participants to see themselves in a new light, rediscover themselves, and then use certain expressive writing modalities so that they can integrate who they found, because it's very hard to know who you are, and once you know yourself, you have to then learn how to be with that person. So I think my focus is going to be on hand holding. We're going to do the most important task of your life, to know yourself, to understand yourself, and to create a deeper perspective of yourself. I think that is the purpose of Manthan. What is the schedule of Manthan?
Yeah, so we have planned 16 different sessions across all the 4 days that we are there. And the moment you step into the property, it's a huge property with lush green gardens and a swimming pool. So you can sit there, sit by yourself, meet everybody. After that, we're gonna start with the first opening session. So that is where we're gonna come together. हम एक दूसरे को introduce करेंगे, एक दूसरे को जानेंगे. So similarly, second day has narrative therapy, writing therapy sessions planned. But alongside that, we have breath work, we have sound healing with other 2 facilitators as well. Third day as well, we are gonna go out a little bit. There is a space to hike. There is a space to go to the nearby village. We are gonna do that. And obviously, the sessions get repeated. And every day we have plans to take you through a journey of self-discovery. That is how we are preparing it. And third day may also there is this sound healing session, there is this breathwork session, just to open yourself up to the writing experience. And the fourth day, when we are leaving after having breakfast, there will be a closing circle, which is like the final goodbyes with the people that you have met during the last 3 days, but also a goodbye to the previous version of you, and maybe taking with you a new version of yourself, or maybe a new perspective of looking at yourself. So that's how Manthan is structured. 4 days, 3 nights, 15 strangers, and 16 different sessions to take you through a journey of self-healing.